Let's look at this short lesson about the two sounds of the letter C. The hard sound and the soft sound. The letter C has two sounds, a hard and a soft sound. If the letter after the C is I, E, or Y, the C makes the S sound, the soft sound. If any other letter, the C makes the K sound, the hard sound. So it's very easy for us to know, does the E make the soft sound or the hard sound? If the letter after the C is a vowel, I, E, or Y, it says the soft sound, S. But if it's any other letter, it says the hard sound, G, K. All right, let's look at some of these words. Say them after me. Corn, card, cat, cook, camp, cake, cup, cast, cold, cuddle, candle, current, castle, comb, camel, cup, cable, cuff. So that is some examples of the hard sound. Now let's look at the soft sound. Braces, face, lettuce, police, pencil, rice, price, city, scent, mice, cereal, circle, space, juice, ice, price, ace, voice, recess, icy, celery. And so this is the soft sound. So remember, if there's an I, E, or Y after the C, it makes the soft sound. Any other letter, it makes the hard sound. Watch this video again and practice saying these vocabulary words again, and remember the rule. It will help you speak good, clear American English.